Purple and yellow, secondary colors.
I had to go through my box of 80 crayons to figure it out. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.
That's right.
Do you like the velvet color then?
No, I like yellow.
I thought velvet was the texture.
It is. Unless you own a national.
Or your Bobby, what's his name, Bobby, she won't lose, been velvet.
Boom, boom, boom.
I'm gonna fill my ice water back up. I'll be back.
Is it gonna be half full or half empty?
What's she gonna fill it up with? Ice water.
Only if you put ice in it.
What did that guy out there in the distance say about the ice water?
There was no cow.
Y'all still get your water out of the big spring? Water out of the big spring? The big spring.
Hey, Digger.
He called me a nigger.
Got a question for you, Digger.
Go ahead.
You were standing in the country of Germany and you wanted to go to Switzerland. In which direction would you go? North, south, east, or west?
North.
Good luck.
I ain't never been in Switzerland, so I don't know which way to go, but I would try north.